Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. There's no doubt that stress is the #1 leading cause of most diseases that occur within our body. And stress has a direct effect on our immune system. And the major role of our immune system is to protect against disease or other potentially damaging foreign bodies. I'd like to share with you 2 proven techniques that I developed in the past. By putting these 2 techniques together, we are going to amplify the effect on the brain. This will instantaneously take away stress, give you that sense of tranquility and relaxation, and will allow you to focus much easier. We're going to focus in one particular part of the brain called the anterior pituitary. We're going to focus with reflex areas in our hand, particularly on the nail bed of our thumb. This area is what affects the pituitary gland in our brain. The pituitary gland is part of our endocrine system. Its main function is to secrete hormones into your bloodstream. These hormones affect other organs and glands throughout your body. We call the pituitary gland the master gland because it's involved in so many important processes. The pituitary gland in our brain controls and regulates hormones in the adrenal glands. The hormones norepinephrine, adrenaline, cortisol. Too much of this hormone causes problems in our health. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, increasing our heart rate, our blood pressure, causing more stress and anxiety, increasing inflammation, which can lead to cardiovascular disease and diabetes. And most important, it weakens our immune system. Now, everyone knows what endorphins are. Those are the hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary in our brain. That's what gives you that instant relaxation. It allows you to sleep better. It lessens pain, takes away depression, reduces anxiety. It helps build higher self-esteem. It lowers your blood pressure. And guess what? It builds and strengthens your immune system. And that's what this technique is all about. Because these endorphins stimulate the immune system by activating white blood cells to help protect us against disease and infection. Now, within 60 seconds, you are going to experience some neurophysiological changes that's going to occur behind our nasal area, behind the eyes, as well as inside the brain. So now that you understand some physiology of the body, let me show you how simple and effective this technique is. Take your thumb in front of you like this. You'll take your first and second finger of your other hand and grab the nail bed and behind the thumb. And you're going to stimulate it like this for about 15 or 20 seconds. And stimulate it. While doing so, we're stimulating the anterior pituitary. Just keep doing that 15, 20 seconds. Okay? Now what I want you to do, take the same 2 fingers, grab the outside of the nail bed, just like this. And you're going to squeeze it together. Just on both sides of the nail bed, and just keep holding that position like that. And within about 20 to 30 seconds, you should start feeling changes behind the nasal area, behind the eyes. And those changes are neurophysiological things that are occurring from that thumb going up to the brain. And just hold that point. And you're going to feel, some people may feel pressure, you may feel a little more focus, your eyes may feel a little funny, you may feel your sinuses open up, but you're going through changes right now. You'll hold that up to a minute. Now immediately after, we're going to do this second technique to amplify the effect within our brain. Take your hand, take these 3 fingers, bring it in like this. This is how it should look. I want you to take your thumb and set it right on your 3rd finger like this. Okay? Take your other thumb, take the nail bed, go crosswise, just like this. Okay? On the other nail bed where the 2 nails meet, you'll take this finger right here, put it on top of that finger. You're going to push down. As you push down, the 2 nail beds are meeting much more firmer. This is going to stimulate the reflex back to the brain. And you're probably going to feel much more behind the nasal area, behind the eyes. You'll feel a feeling, a sensation, a closing or an opening. Sometimes you may feel an opening of the sinus. Your nasal passages may open up as well. Keep holding that position for up to 30 seconds. And if you're not getting the effect, I want you to continue to hold it up to a minute. During the technique, the majority of you should feel some kind of effect occurring behind the nasal or eye region. That effect is taking place within the autonomic nervous system, governed by the central nervous system. This is a normal physiological change that should take effect. So you can utilize this technique as often as necessary. This will cause homeostasis and balance within your brain. This will decrease your stress levels. It will increase your endorphins, improving the strength of your immune system to keep you stronger so you can have a healthier and happy life. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.